Hello everyone, we are looking at the Craft Unique forum, and here we have an announcement that is dated March 30th of 2017, and with a new firmware release update announcement. And these are the improvements listed that comes with the updated firmware, and the firmware can be updated with CraftPrint, which is the control interface of the CraftBot 3D printer. I had earlier already downloaded the latest firmware from the server, and there are some noticeable differences in the display of the LCD. You have a Z here, and also in the extruder function you have these two icons here. This is the fit icon, this is the reverse out the filament icon. Let's see what happens when I press the button. So I press is a fit filament icon here, and look at the gear that is moving anti-clockwise direction. This is what happens when I press the reverse direction button. The gear goes clockwise. At the homing portion, look at this Z-axis. What happens when I press this Z one time, two times, three times. Look at the main portion, you see this plate has gone down by 5 mm. Originally it was 0 mm. Let's just go back to the what happens when you press Z for it to go up. See, it goes back to 0 mm. This feature could be very useful when you are doing a pause print to change the filament to a different color. I think I will try out this feature later on today or tomorrow. And here we see the latest version updated for the firmware, March 29. Thank you for watching.